In this lecture, we are going to focus on the PYQs of human digestive system. The first question is that succus entericus is referred to as. This question is the previous ask, that is the NEET 2021, and option is gastric juice. Next one is the chyme. Third one is the pancreatic juice, and last one is the intestinal juice. Succus entericus is referred to as. Actually, this enzyme is present in digestive juice, that is the which is present in the small intestine, which is released from this in the small intestine from brush borders cells of the mucosal along with the secretion of goblet cells. And because of here the right answer is the intestinal juice. Because of this juice which is secreted by these cells is considered as a intestinal juice. And because of succus entericus which is released from the these are cells which is present in the small intestine, and these are present in the intestinal juice. The next question is, which hormones do stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? This question is asked in NEET 2016. Angiotensins and epinephrine. Second option is gastrin and insulin. Third one is the choleocytokinin and secretin. And last one is the insulin and glucagon. Actually, question is that which hormones stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? Pancreatic juice and bicarbonate, these are stimulated by choleocytokinin pancreozymes, that is the CCKPZ, is a hormone secreted from the small intestine, and it stimulates the gallbladder to release the bile, and the pancreas to secrete the release the digestive enzyme in the pancreatic juice. And hormone secretin is secreted from the duodenum and release the bicarbonate in pancreatic juice, and it also increase the secretion bile and decrease the gastric secretion and the motility. And because of here the right answer is choleocytokinin and secretin. Here the next question is, which group of three of the following five statement A to E contains in all three correct statement regarding beriberi? In these options or in this statement, we can see the beriberi symptoms or about the beriberi, and this having the A, B, C, D and E statement, and in which the one option is correct which having the group of three statement. And this question is asked in 2005. The first one is the crippling disease prevalent among the native peoples of Saharan Africa. The deficiency disease caused by lack of thiamine, that is the vitamin B1. Next option is next statement is a nutritional disorder in infant and young children when the diet is persistently deficient in the essential protein. The next statement is occurs in those countries where the stable diet is a polished rice. And last one is the symptoms are pain from nutritis, paralysis and muscles wasting and progressive edema and mental deteriorations, and finally heart failure. These are the some given information in a different statement about the beriberi, and we have to select the in which the three statements these are correct, or these are correct about the beriberi, and which of the following is a correct statement. Actually, the group in which the first of all we focus on the what is beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes the beriberi disease, and beriberi disease was discovered by X-Men in 1897, and he observed that the disease beriberi occurs mainly in the people subsisting on the Polish rice diet and this disease is rare in the western world because of the food habits and the food enrichment. The beriberi disease is characterized by the loss of appetite, weight and vigor, retardation growth, degenerations of nerves, muscles, atrophy, even paralysis and weak heartbeat, and also the heart failure. And because of here the right answer is the next question, which is asked in 2005. Secretin and choleocytokinin are digestive hormones. They are secreted in the first option is pyloric stomach. Next one is the duodenum. Third one is the ileum, and last one is the esophagus. Secretin and choleocytokinin, these are secreted in the wall of small intestine. This is not secreted in the stomach. The secretin and choleocytokinin, these are secreted in the small intestine, but small intestine is divided into different parts, and these are secreted in duodenum. Actually, stimulation to the secretin acidic chyme entry into duodenum. CCKPZ, presence of fat in duodenum. Action first, secretin release the bicarbonate in pancreatic juice, and CCKPZ contracts the gallbladder to release the bile and stimulating the pancreas to secrete and release the digestive enzyme in the pancreatic juice. And because of here the right answer is duodenum. This is secreted in the duodenum. This question is asked in 2008. Which one of the following is the correct matching of the site of action on the given substrate and the enzyme acting upon it, the end product? The first is small intestine protein pepsin amino acid. Second one is the small intestine starch amylase disaccharides, that is the maltose. Third one is the stomach fat lipase micelles, and last one is the duodenum. This is also one of the part of small intestine triglycerides, trypsin monoglycerides. Which of the following is a correct matching? Small intestines starch disaccharides, that is the maltose. Small intestine is the portion of alimentary canal and between the stomach and large intestine. It is subdivided into duodenum, jejunum and ileum. It play an essential role in the final digestions and absorption of food. And here the right answer is a small intestine starch disaccharide maltose, these are digested. Here the correct option B is correct. Small intestine protein pepsin amino acid, actually protein pepsin is present in the stomach. This is not present in the small intestine, and because of first option, first is the wrong. Stomach in which the fat lipase is converted into micelles. Micelles, these are formed in the small intestine. This is not formed in the stomach, and because of option C is wrong. And D, that is the duodenum triglyceride trypsin and mono. In this region, this is not converted into monoglyceride. And here the correct option is option B, small intestine. Here the correct answer is a small intestine starch amylase disaccharide, that is the maltose is converted into the small intestine. So we'll meet in next lecture with next question, that is the PYQ. Thank you so much.